大家好，Mr. Manso，今日會大家講呢就係 F4 嘅 Equation of a Straight Line 嘅 Part 2睇睇啦。我哋之前呢 Part 1嗰啲就研究過啲 slope 噶啦，而家我哋再進入下一個 step 啦，就係睇一個叫 General Point 同埋 Fixed Point 嘅。兩者嚟講呢 Fixed Point 呢就比較容易理解啲嘅，譬如-21啊、58啊呢啲就係 Fixed Point 啊。咁我哋喺符號上高呢，我哋呢啲呢就寫咗 x1、y1。X2、Y2 嘅，咁就表達咗佢哋係 fixed point。OK，general point 咧比較新穎啲嘅，你未聽過嘅，就係咧我就咁叫佢 XY 嘅啫。咁點樣咧？即係呢個 Y 咧，佢可以前啲後啲，佢冇一個緊咗嘅 number 喺度嘅，咁我哋就叫 general point 啦。我哋今次試下用兩個 point，一個咧就係 general point，一個咧就係 fixed point，咁就會做咗呢一個嘅slope 啦、斜率啦，冇問題啦。我再做一步就將個分母抌咗個對面嘅啫，咁就會出現咗咩 y 減 y1等於 m 乘以 x 減 x1嘅。點解要咁做啊？咁呢，我哋就創造咗呢一個 equation of a straight line 噶啦，即係話一條直線啊，我哋呢一個方程架，我哋就創造咗呢個方程啦，咁就叫做 slope point form。試下做俾大家睇啦。In each of the following, find the equation of the straight line L satisfy the given conditions. It pass through 1, 2. And its slope is 4。咦，有個 point 喎，有個 slope 喎，咁我就用 slope point form 噶啦。首先就塞咗個 slope 落去先嚇，咁就喺個4位嗰度出個 slope 啦。然之後呢，我哋呢就會塞咗個點嘅，就會分別呢就喺嗰個咩 x1 同埋 y1 位擺翻落去嘅。再經過簡化之後呢，我攞咗 y 做主項呢，我出現咗嗰個嘅 equation 啦，就係一條咁嘅直線嘅 equation，我哋都識計噶啦。而家以往我哋淨係識計個 slope 嘅啫。或者計下啲 distance formula，計兩點之間距離啦。而家我哋仲犀利，我哋就計條線嗰個 equation。OK， 只要你呢啲點啦喺條線上高，譬如話我仲有呢另一啲點嘅就係26啦。當 x 等於2嘅時候 ，y 等於6啦，你擺翻落呢個 equation 裏邊呢係偷偷含嘅。OK， 即係左右手你可以正翻佢係left hand side 等於 right hand side 嘅，任何一點都得嘅。OK， 即係話我哋呢一堂呢就係教揾 equation， 揾條 straight line 嘅 equation。到你 pause 畫面試一試計下 question 2咯，你應該3爬2撥咧就好快計到呢一個嘅 equation of straight line，因為咧嗰個運算唔複雜嘅。OK， 只需要咧你係咪識得見到負數嘅時候咧揾個括號包翻住佢啊，你咪跟翻條 form 咁做嘅啫。OK， 咁啲字都完啦，多謝大家，拜拜。